Hello students, good morning. Today is our value education subject and this is your value education book. Today we will start with first chapter. Chapter number 1, Who Am I? Who am I? The story of a sad elephant. Now, whose story is this? This is the story of a sad elephant. Now, why he is sad? We will see in this lesson. Now, first of all, what are the points? We will learn who we are. Who we are. What myself means. Everybody knows myself. What is the meaning of myself? Information about ourselves. Looking at the picture given below, discuss these questions in class. Now, you can see in this picture one big elephant is there and 6 peoples are there. What are they doing? All 6 peoples are touching the body of an elephant, various parts of body of an elephant. Now what is the first question? Which animal do you see in the picture? Which animal can you see in this picture? It is a big elephant. Have you seen this animal before? Where? Now come on, tell me. Have you seen this animal before? Where you have seen? In zoo or in movie? You must have gone to the zoo, animal zoo. There you must have seen an real elephant. Think of one word to describe the animal. After seeing this animal, which one word come to your mind? Can you tell me which one word? It is a big elephant. It is a big animal. So now we will read the story. I have already sended you a pic of this page, this story. All of you have read it. Today I will read it. The Sad Elephant. Once there were 6 friends. All of them were blind. They did not know how an elephant looked. So they decided to find out by touching and feeling the elephant. They touched and felt the different parts of the elephant's body with their hands. Now in this first paragraph, what is there? There were 6 friends. 6 friends were there and they were blind. Blind means they can't see. All 6 friends were blind. They can't see anything. They did not know how an elephant looked. Now, as they were blind, they was not able to see how an elephant looks alike. So they decided to find out by touching and feeling the elephant. So all 6 friends, what they decided? They decided to find out. What they have to find out? How the elephant looks. And how are they going to do it? By touching the elephant and feeling. They touched and felt the different parts of the elephant's body with their hand. Now, you know, elephant is very big. We can't touch with one hand and we can't say how big it is. So, what the 6 friends did? They all touched the different parts of the elephant's body. Now, we will see next which part of the body were touched by these friends. One friend touched the tail and said, "The elephant is like a rope." Now one friend touched the tail. What did one friend do? He touched the tail and then said elephant is like a rope. Another touched an ear and said the elephant is like a fan. Another friend, what did he do? He touched an ear and said the elephant is like a fan. The third friend touched the trunk and said the elephant is like a snake. Third friend, what he touched? He touched a trunk. This is the trunk. And it felt like it is a snake. So he said it is like a snake. Another friend touched the tusk and said the elephant is like a spear. Now another friend, fourth friend, what did he touch? He touched the tusk. This is the tusk. And what did he said? This fourth friend, he said it looks like a spear. The fifth friend felt a leg of the elephant. Now fifth friend, what did he touch? He touched a leg of the elephant. He said it was like a pillar. Fifth friend, he was touching his leg and it felt like it was a pillar. The last one had climbed up on the elephant's back. He said the elephant is like a wall. And the last friend, what did he do? He climbed upon the elephant. He climbed upon and what he said? The elephant looks like a wall. The elephant is like a wall. The poor elephant thought all of them are wrong. I am not like a rope. I am not like a fan or a snake or a spear. I am like myself. Now, after hearing the friends what were saying, elephant, poor elephant thought all of them are wrong. He became sad. Elephant became sad. Why? Because they were not telling the truth. They were saying, these six friends were saying that elephant look like a rope, like a fan, like a snake, like a spear, like a pillar, like a wall. So he became sad. Elephant became sad. He said, I am not like that. I am like myself. Elephant is like himself only. So time to understand what we understand in this story. The six friends were not completely wrong. Now you can see in this short story, friends were blind, so they did not know how the elephant looks. What they had touched, they believed that only. They were not completely wrong. Each friend was partly right. The ears, trunk, legs, tusk, tail and body together make the elephant. Now six friends, they touched various parts of body. But that various parts together makes a big elephant. When you say myself, you mean all the parts of your body together. What is the myself? It means all parts of our body. Your eyes alone don't mean you. We can't say our eyes are myself. Myself means we, the whole. Your hands or feet alone don't mean you. Our hands, feet, eyes are not different. They are not separate from us. They are with us only, with ourselves. When you say myself, you also mean whose daughter or son you are. You mean who your friends are. You also mean what you like and what you don't like. The word myself means everything about you. The word myself means everything about ourselves. So you understand? You again read it, then we will do question answer.